everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what's inside my makeup case. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so the majority of this stuff I don't use every day. I have a pretty set routine and I don't do a lot of variety from it, except on special occasions or times when I think I need something just a little different. So overall, I try and keep my makeup case fairly organized, but some stuff just doesn't fit where I want it, so then it has to go in different spots. So starting in the top shelf, I have just some neutral colors of eyeshadow. And I use these all the time because you can get a lot of different variety out of just neutral colors. Secondly, I have this Beauty Runway color corrector and blush palette. The color corrector I'm not a big fan of, but I do use the green most, and then I use the blush and the contouring makeup fairly often. For the Beauty Runway eyeshadow, I just don't use that a lot because it's mostly the same colors that are in this palette, and I've had this palette longer, so before I start with the next palette, I just want to finish what I already have open. Next, this I use all the time. This is Physicians Formula of foundation. I really like this. It's really nice, and it comes with a little brush. So, yeah, I really like that. So next I have Clinique moisturizing lotion, and then I also have the face wash, and these are both really nice. And other than that, I just have a couple of face masks. Nothing super fancy. Starting on row 2 of this side, I have Beauty Runway Face Primer. This I haven't used before because I have another primer I really like, but I just keep it because it came all in one set and I really like the set. And then next I have highlighter. And these are both really nice tubes because they're nothing too bulky, so they're really good to take with you places, and also they don't take up a lot of space in your makeup box. Next, I have this Physicians Formula. This has color corrector in it and it's foundation, which is really nice because then it's only one step and you have pink, green, and yellow all in there. So that's really handy. And finally, on this side, I have this, which I found on sale. This is also foundation, and it has sunscreen in it, so that's really nice for the summer, and it's not powdery. It's like, let's see if I can get it open. This is like more liquid, but not liquid at the same time. I've only used this a handful of times, but I really do like how it looks on your skin. So, second up on this side, I have a whole bunch of my lip products. So I have 3 different colors of NYX Liquid Suede lip stain. And lip stain I don't use very often, but I do use this for formal events or dance recitals just because it's very bright and you can see it from pretty far away. So it's a good contrast from makeup, but it's not something I would use every day just because of how bright it is. For lip gloss, this is my go-to lip gloss. This is Cherry Shree, and I really like this. It feels really nice, but it's not too like thick when it's on your lips. So I really like it, and it's a great color. Next, I just have a couple tubes of lipstick. This color is really nice. This is what I use every time I wear lipstick. And then I have two Beauty Runway of just a light peach and then a bright pink. These I don't use fairly often just because they don't really go with my skin tone that well, but there are occasions where I do need a brighter lipstick. I have an e.l.f. lip gloss, which I really don't use much just because it's lip plumping gloss, which means that it does make your lips fuller, but in order to do that, it kind of burns them. So I don't use it that much just because I don't like it burning my lips. Other than that, I have a little brand of lip gloss I got from Claire's, a super bright pink lip gloss. Here are my other two colors I have of lip stain. I have a little pack of lip gloss that's just solid colors, which these are really nice because I like the different variations you can get and you can mix them together and they look really nice. I just have a little canister of Beauty Runway lip gloss and then another little tube of just bright pink reddish lip gloss. And yes, I do know this is a lot of lipstick and lip gloss, but I have collected a lot of different things. I've been wearing makeup for about 4 years, and over that time I've just collected a bunch of stuff and tried to figure out what I like the best and what colors work for my skin tone. So over here now I have some more face and eye makeup. This I have the e.l.f. brand, and this is contour. I really like their contour because it's powdered and it matches my foundation. Next I have some more e.l.f. and this is color corrector. As you can tell, I've used all of my green and almost all of the pink, and I would highly recommend this because it's really nice. This is another go-to eyeshadow that I really like. Hard Candy, Neutral Eyes. This is a great palette just because it comes with eye primer, and then there's also different ways to do your eyes. So you can do this as these three colors as a nighttime look, these for a daytime look, and these for more of a natural look. And so that's really nice, and I use that quite often. Over here I have a bunch of eye makeup. This is my favorite mascara. I use it all the time, Shake It Fresh, and it makes your eyelashes look very thick and naturally black. This is what the tip looks like. This I don't use very often, but when I do, I really like it. Almay One Coat Lengthening Mascara. This is really nice brush, and overall I just really like this mascara. So for eyeliner, I hardly ever wear eyeliner. I wear it probably twice a year tops. But surprisingly, I have a lot of different eyeliners. I have Hard Candy eyeliner in black, two different eyeliners that are Beauty Runway. One is black and one is like a grayish bluish color. And then finally I have liquid mascara, which I do not really use that often just because I have problems applying liquid mascara and making it look good. I have some eye primer that's Beauty Runway. This I have also Beauty Runway mascara. I've never used this before, but it comes with the brush separate, so that's nice. It just has a lid and then the brush is separate, and that's with my other makeup brushes that I don't keep in my kit. This is one of my favorites. I got this at Rue 21, and it's metallic eyeshadow, and it's like rose gold, which I really like. And then opening it up, it looks like a lip gloss tube, and that makes it really nice for applying. I have a duo highlighter pencil that's also Beauty Runway. And then the last few things in my eye section are brow gel, that's Beauty Runway. I have a brown eyebrow pencil. And then I have another tube of Clinique mascara, which I've used this a couple times, but I found that it's very like liquidy, and after you put it on, it seems like you have to take a bit off, just because whenever you open and close your eyes, it gets all over the rest of your face. Down here in the bottom, I have this new makeup kit that I got recently. This is the Physicians Formula Ultimate Murumu Butter Collection, and it's pretty nice. It comes with all different kinds of stuff that you need to do your makeup. It has highlighter, it has blush, it comes with a little mirror in it. There it is. Let me see if I can get it. So it comes with highlighter, blush, bronzer, and then in here is a little mirror. And this is actually two parts. It's supposed to close like a book, but mine is broken actually, so here is the second part. This has a bunch of different eyeshadows, highlighter, and then lip gloss. And last but not least, down here I have Cosmic Color eyeshadow. This I got for Christmas one year, and it has a bunch of like super bright colors, which surprisingly I do use quite often for dance recitals, just anything where I feel like I need more color than my everyday routine. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see any of these products reviewed further, please leave me a comment and let me know, and I will do another video like this. If you have any suggestions of videos you'd like to see, please let me know, and I would like to try and do those. And I ask that you subscribe and join me in my channel. Thank you for watching.